You asked me for relationship advice, I gave it to you. Now you don't block me for WhatsApp. Say wetin I do gongon. Abeg you. This my gender matter sef sometimes dey tire me. Normally, I no dey chook mouth for wetin no concern me o. I learnt my lesson when I was younger. My parents bin dey quarrel, na so I go dey give my P-man attitude based on say I dey support my mama. Na the same mama shrink me say why I go dey give im husband attitude. And ever since then, I dey mindful of the kind of advice I dey give based on relationship matter. Now goes to a friend that called me yesterday, say her bobo slapped her. I ask her say wetin shele, she come explain give me. From the explanation, I know say the boy no be responsible boy. At first, I don't know wetin to talk because I kukuma no like the bobo like that. But then I realized that for this girl to have told me this kind of a thing, that means she really needed my advice. Na so me too, chief advisor, come advise her say make she leave the bobo. And I told her in a respectful way. Na so this babe come ask me, say what kind of advice is that? I come reply and say, ordinary dating wey una two dey date, e don dey slap you. If una two come marry unko. Na so this babe cut the call. I think it's a network issue because I tried her number and it was not connecting. Only for me to want to message her on WhatsApp and I realized that she don't block me. Block me, ke. Abeg, wetin I do? Wetin I don't talk na way past my mouth that I deserve you blocking me. Now wow. Well, I guess both of them deserve one another, sha. Anyway, I hope you are going to try this plantain fufu soon. Not only is it healthy, it is great for weight loss. Do not forget to like, to share this video so that somebody can learn something, and also to share your view in the comment section. Most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like this. Thank you. I love you. I'll see you soon.